done this before and may never do it again. But chicken water troughs for goats, sheep, llamas, and cattle, and horses are all on sale for the month of June. Plus, get great deals on steel posts and wire products. Also new from the Porterville, Times jeans and caps. Save some money in June at Evans Feed in Madera, Chowchilla, and Porterville. This is KMJ, the Valley's official ag station. Now back to Don York.
It's 5:25 on the KMJ Ag Report. Kevin Raymer has a look at today's weather forecast for you.
Good Tuesday morning. Get set for another nice day across the valley before it heats up again. Today, sunny, breezy,
and that. Sunny, breezy, and ZC-EAS-RMT. Lovely.
This is a coordinated monthly companies serving Mariposa, Merced, Madera, Fresno, Kings, and Tulare counties. Equipment that can warn you of a life-threatening emergency is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as severe weather, a 911 system failure, or other life-threatening condition, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.